Hello, Curious Cubs. Do you know what is the most amazing machine in the world? It's not a car, not a rocket. It's you. Yes, your own human body. Your body has bones, muscles, a brain, a heart, and many secret systems that work day and night, even when you're sleeping. Let's take a fun ride inside the human body and see how it works from head to toe. The brain is the boss of our body. It sits safely inside our skull like a king on his throne. The brain controls everything. What we see, what we hear, how we think, and even how we move. It sends messages through tiny electric wires called nerves. These messages travel super fast, faster than a car or even a plane. So when you touch something hot, your brain quickly says, "Ouch, move your hand." Amazing, right? Now let's look at our skeleton. Our body has 206 bones. They are like the frame of a house. Without them, we would be like jelly. Our skull protects the brain. Ribs protect the heart and lungs. Legs and arm bones help us walk, run, and play. And guess what? Babies are born with around 300 bones, but some join together as they grow. Bones cannot move by themselves. That's why we have muscles. Muscles are like ropes that pull bones to help us move. Smiling, running, blinking, all happen because of muscles. Your body has more than 600 muscles. Thump, 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 thump. What's that sound? It's your heart. The heart is a powerful pump that never takes a break. It pumps blood to every corner of your body, from the tip of your head to your toes. Blood carries oxygen and food to your cells and brings waste back to clean up. Your heart beats about 100,000 times every day. Can you believe it? Yum, pizza. But what happens after you eat it? Your digestive system turns food into energy. Teeth chew food. Stomach mashes it. Intestines absorb the good stuff. The useful parts go into your blood, and the waste comes out when you go to the toilet. Simple but smart. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Your lungs take in oxygen from the air and give out carbon dioxide. This oxygen mixes with blood and keeps your whole body alive. Without breathing, we cannot survive even a few minutes. Our body has many more systems working together. Nervous system, brain and nerves, the communication team. Skeletal plus muscular system, bones and muscles, the movement team. Circulatory system, heart and blood, the delivery team. Digestive system, stomach and intestines, the food factory. Respiratory system, lungs, the oxygen team. Excretory system, kidneys, removing waste. Immune system, soldiers that fight germs. All these teams work together like one big company, and you are the CEO. So from your clever brain, to your strong bones, to your beating heart, down to your busy toes, your body is a miracle of nature. Take care of it by eating healthy food, exercising, sleeping well, and of course, staying curious. Okay, Cubs, let's test what you learned. How many bones does an adult human have? Which organ is called the boss of the body? What does the heart do? Which system turns food into energy? Which organ helps us breathe oxygen? Answers: 1. 206. 2. Brain. 3. Pumps blood. 4. Digestive system. 5. Lungs. So, Curious Cubs, now you know. The human body is the most amazing machine ever. Treat it with care, keep it strong, and it will take you on all the adventures of life. Stay curious, stay healthy, and see you in the next exciting journey with Curious Cub.